Good morning, students. You are most welcome to the language class. Today we are starting chapter 6 Simple Present and Simple Past. The present means whatever is going on now, whatever we are doing now. Okay, and past means whatever we have done or the work that has been finished. Now we are reading from the book. Read these sentences, notice and forms of verbs used. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The sun and the moon create tides in our oceans. I go for a walk every morning. I learn to play the violin on Sundays. I like ice cream. My sister plays for the school basketball team. See the forms of the verbs. Water boils. Boils. That means verb plus is. Boil is a verb and is. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is a all-time truth or universal truth, because whenever the water will reach in the 100 degrees Celsius, the temperature will reach at 100 degrees Celsius. At that time only it will boil. The sun and the moon create tides in our oceans. So this is an universal truth. See here, the sun and the moon create. The verb is create, but we are not adding is over here. Why? Because we are using the plural form of nouns, sun and moon. I go for walking every morning. Here also we are using the main form of verb, go. I learn to play the violin on Sundays. Here learn. Learn is also the main form of verb. I like ice cream. Like is the main form of verb. My sister plays for the school basketball team. See, plays, play plus the verb plus is. That means my sister is in singular form. So we are using plays over there. Okay, so follow this. Whenever we will use singular noun, we will add verb is with verb, is or es. Okay, and when there will be plural noun, plural form of noun, then we will write the only the main verb. Okay, here write the number 2, write the verbs here. So I have already discussed, write it over there. Since all the sentences above talk about the present time, the verbs are all in simple present form. Verbs that are used to express actions taking place in the present time are said to be in simple present forms. They are also used to make general statements. The simple present has been used in the following ways. To state an all-time truth. State an all-time truth means that it will never change. So water will boil whenever there will be 100 degrees Celsius, and the tides will be created only for the sun and the moon. Next, to talk about habits or routine. Habits or routine means whatever you are doing every day. I go for a walk every morning. I learn to play the violin on Sundays. Number 3, to talk about something that is true for the present time, which may change later. For example, I like ice cream. So I am a kid. You are a kid now. So you can like ice cream, but whenever you will grow up, you will like anything else. So this can be changed. My sister plays for the school basketball team. So now she is playing for the school basketball team. Afterwards, she will play for the college basketball team or for the district basketball team. Isn't it? So it may change. So 3 kinds of sentences we state. They are called simple present. That means all time truth, to talk about habits or routine, to talk about something that is true for the present time but it can change later. Okay, so here we are going to let's practice. Read the sentences given below. Identify what the present simple form has been used for. Write T all time truth and H habit or TP true for the present on the basis of their use. So I will say 3 over here and rest of the things you will do by yourself. My pet mongoose runs very fast. So this is all time truth because they runs all the time very fast. The rains come after the summer. This is also all time truth. Jontia makes very nice momos. This is habit. And rest of the things you will do by yourself. Okay? Next, number 2. Fill in the blanks with correct simple present tense in the verb of the verbs in the box given below. I dash to my dance class every evening. So the verbs are present over here. You have to put it over here, but you have to make it simple present form. That means whenever it will be needed, you have to add s or es over there. I dash to my dance class every evening. I go. Sheila dash the piano very well. Plays. Okay. This page we have discussed till. So this is the thing. Number 1, read the sentences given below. Identify what the present simple form, and this one you will do by yourself. And this one number 2, it is given over here. You have to put it. I have already discussed. Please see once. Next, a different form of verbs has been used in the sentences here. Notice the form of the verbs. Mom washed our car this morning. Dad cooked a pot of super biryani last night. We played in the garden in the afternoon. 2 birds built their nest in a tree in the garden last week. My sister danced well when she was younger. I played tennis for the state. See here, all the verbs have, it is in a different way. For example, you can see mom washed. Wash verb plus ed. Our car in this morning. So in this morning, that means he is telling in the evening that mom washed. So it was done. The work was completed. Mom washed our car this morning. Dad cooked a pot for super biryani last night. That means last night it was completed. Cooked. Verb plus ed. We played in the garden in the afternoon. So play plus ed. That means verb plus ed. We played afternoon. So he is telling at night that the work was already completed. Now here, 2 birds built. It is the past form of verbs. I will try to send a list. You have to read that one. Okay. And you have to not read, you have to learn those spellings. 2 birds built their nest in a tree in the garden last week. My sister danced well when she was younger. Danced well when she was younger. Now she is grown up and not dancing so much. So danced, it was past. The work was completed. I played tennis for the state. So some time he had played. So write the verbs here. It is already discussed. You will do over there. Next, since the actions given above Since the action given above took place in the past, the verbs are all in the simple past form. So these verbs are all in the past form. Okay. So this we are using what? The past form of the verbs to show the simple past or past simple forms. Verbs that are used to express actions that took place in the past are said to be in past simple forms. The simple past has been used in the following ways. What are the ways? Number one, to talk about an action that has already happened. For example, mom washed our car this morning, dad cooked a pot of superb biryani last night. So these two already the action was happened. Now next, to talk about a period of time which started and ended in the past. So the time period is indicated by expression such as for 2 years, for several years, etc. For example, we played in the garden in the afternoon. We are not playing in the garden now. So it is in the afternoon. It is showing the time. See, afternoon. So we are talking about a period of time which started and ended also in the past. Two birds built their nest in a tree in the garden last week. So this also happened, started in the last week, completed in the last week, but we are telling it now. Next, number 3, to talk about habits in the past. My sister danced well, late when she was younger. So it is a good habit in the past, not now. I played tennis for the state. Next, let's practice. Here you have to put the sentences in the correct columns given below. Columns are action in past, time period in the past, habit in the past. So my father worked in the bank for 2 years. So 2 years, it is showing the time. So we will write in time period in the past. He usually came home late in the evening. Usually came home. That means habit in the past. We went to Ooty for the summer. So it is action in the past. Like this way you will do by rest things. Next, number 2, make simple past sentences using these expressions after changing the verb forms. One has been done for you. Take the cakes I home. I took the cakes home. So you have to change the form of the verbs and you have to make the sentence. Only C, up to C I will say, and after that you have to do. My sister all eat cakes. My sister ate all the cakes. Okay? To the dog she a few crumbs give. She gave a few crumbs to the dog. Okay? So you will do the rest of the things and we will discuss in the live class. Goodbye. Have a nice time.